Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine with the grace of Allah. I welcome you all in Pakistan School Muscat e-learning. I'm your science teacher, Ms. Natasha Khan. Dear students, today we are doing unit number 6, water. Previously, we have done the reading and explanation of water, in which we have learned that water is very much important for all living things. We need water to live. Water is found in all three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. And there are different uses of water. We use water for drinking, for bathing, for cooking, for watering plants, and for many things. And today we will answer these questions. And the objective of this work is you will learn to describe how water is found in this world and to identify different sources of natural water. In the previous lesson, as I told you that water is found in all three states of matter. Now the question is, how can water be changed from one state to another? So the answer is very simple. Water can be changed from solid to liquid form by heating, and water can be changed from liquid to solid form by freezing or by cooling. Students, let's make it interesting. I have a riddle. You have to answer me for that. I don't have wings, but I can fly. I don't have eyes, but I can cry. What am I? Think about it. Yes, these are clouds. Yes, high up in the sky it is very cold, and water vapor that rises high above the land cools down to form clouds. In this way, clouds are formed. Now I will tell you about the formation of clouds, that how do clouds form. Clouds form with the help of water vapors, dust particles and different air gases. High in the sky it is very cold, and water vapor that rises high above the land cools down to form clouds. My dear students, our next question is, what is groundwater? Groundwater is the water that found underground in the cracks and spaces in soil, sand, and rocks. In other words, you can say rainwater gathers in the space between the rocks, and this water is called groundwater. And according to US Geological Survey, groundwater may be near the Earth's surface or it is as deep as 30,000 feet. My dear students, our next question is very easy, and that is, in what ways do we use water? Because I'm sure you all know that how many ways do we use water in our daily life. But the first and the foremost is we use water for drinking, because all living things need water to drink, and without drinking water they will die. So we use water for drinking, washing, firefighting, boating, for watering plants, for washing clothes, and for bathing also. You must be familiar with this picture. This is a picture of a well. Sometimes we dig deep holes in the ground to reach groundwater. These deep holes are called wells. And in the ancient time, people used to build wells to reach to the fresh water, and that is groundwater. My dear students, it's time to recap. So let's start. Water can be changed from solid to liquid form by heating, or water can be changed from liquid to solid form by freezing. Water vapor rises high above the land, cools down to form clouds, and clouds are formed on the sky because it is too cold there. And the rainwater gathered in the spaces between the rocks. This water is called groundwater, and it is considered as purest form of water. Sometimes we dig deep holes in the ground to reach groundwater, and these deep holes are called wells. And people used to build wells in the previous time, in the ancient times. And last but not the least, we use water in many ways. We use it for washing, bathing, cooking, and drinking, etc. My dear students, I'm sure you have learned something new today, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll come again with some new topic. Till that time, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.